So I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I came to terms with the fact that my body was in atrophy for 71 days while I was in the hospital. So I barely got to do any exercise or anything. So my muscles basically deteriorated to nothing. So I didn't have any energy. Um, so what I did is I hired a contractor, and he did an amazing job. So hold on. What the contractor did is he removed all the mat that was on the floor and the plywood and the walls. It's so much better. I am so lucky also, because the only hole in the whole bus is the hole for the fuel accessible sensor that is already put there by the manufacturer. So it doesn't really matter to me too much, and I'll still keep it there somewhat when I do the flooring, so I can still get at it if I really have to. But he also got all the screws up and everything, so now I am going to do the easy stuff, which is basically using a bristle brush with the angle grinder attachment and getting all the rust off. And I'm gonna make all this rust patches go away. And what I'm gonna do from then is I'm gonna put down some crud cutter and some other chemical I don't remember the name of right now. And then after that's done, I'm going to put down a full paint layer of Rust-Oleum paint, so that way it's just not able to rust pretty much ever again for a while. Yeah, because I'm gonna live in this. So after that, then I'm gonna plan the whole flooring. I'm gonna plan where I want to put everything, and then I'm gonna get insulation, put that down, put down some more plywood, and create a subfloor. And then after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the framing, the electrical equipment, and I am also going to do spray on insulation. So much demolition is for the most part done. I can't believe it, and I'm so happy. I would be doing this for another 2 weeks, I think. Man. So yeah, here's all the walls right there. And right here is all the plywood that he got up. Let me get around. There you go. All the plywood that he got up. So, yeah. Oh, and he also helped me remove the heaters right here from the inside on the left side of the TC2000. Yeah, that are always a big thing. So I just removed them, and from then, I think it's almost about time for me to start doing actual construction work. Oh man, I can't wait. I'm so happy.